Welcome back to my channel, and then this is how you create a gun and ammo. And then first do like this. One gun complete. Bruh. Don't mind that. What is... Oh. Bruh. Wait.
Lagay mo dun.
Wait, let me just find things. Actually, this at the back. Okay, this is gonna be complete. Okay, like this. No, not like that, not like that. I cleanly ruined it. Let me just fix it. Okay, this is how you build a gun, but not yet. Because you forgot this. I'm just kidding. You forgot this. And now this is how you create this. How to create an ammo box. I don't know how do I create an ammo box. Well, I will create a pack of liquor. I'm gonna create a pack of ammo. Bro, I don't know how. Maybe like this. Bro. Well, I'm gonna create like this. I'm gonna create the ammo box like this. It's so hard on paper, so blocks are easy. Look, this is how the ammo box looks like. This is how. And then if you add it to your gun, you will get ammo. How is it? Yep, it's not even real. Or maybe I ruined it. But it's okay. I completely ruined it. Okay? How to create another gun. A super gun. More big. This is gonna be taking a while. Hour. This is how you create a gun. Yep. Okay. This one has to get in it. And then this is where... Bro. I literally wasted. I don't want to waste. Here it is. This is how the ammo looks like. And now, this is how, this is how a gun looks like. Or maybe I accidentally a bit break. Okay, and then, don't mind.
Oh! Mabalian ka!
Don't mind that. Curse code. This Liberty curse code. And then just buy. Like and subscribe now. Like and subscribe. Bye.